everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir and today I will be continuing standard 9th math second chapter number 6 circle. In circle after the theorem we will start the practice set 6.1. Please look at the board, it is very much easy. Here we have to understand the perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. Okay, it means see OP is a perpendicular on chord AB which divides the AB into two equal parts. Okay, so we have to utilize this property as well as can you see over here a right angle triangle COPB. Triangle OPB is a right angle triangle. Triangle OPA is also right angle triangle. So here we will utilize the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, the practice set 6.1 is very much important for 10th standard as well. So please pay attention. My dear students, the question number 1 of practice set 6.1 is distance of chord AB, distance of chord AB from the center of a circle, center of a circle is O, is 8 centimeter. See, I have written over here chord AB, distance from center to chord AB is 8 centimeter. It means OP is 8 centimeter and OP is perpendicular on chord AB. So OP will divide the AB into two equal parts. Okay. See the further. Length of the chord AB is 12. A to B. The length of the chord AB is 12 centimeter. It means AP will be half of AB. AP क्या है? Half है AB का. It means it will be 6. It will be BP also will be 6. Why? Because perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. AB 12 है. So OP will divide the chord into two equal parts. So therefore AP is a half of AB. AP क्या होगा? Half होगा AB का. Similarly PB क्या होगा? Half होगा AB का. Is it clear? So now we got the two sides. OP 8 centimeter, PB 6 centimeter. So can we find this? Can we find OB, radius of the circle, or hypotenuse? OB is a hypotenuse because angle P is a 90 degree and opposite side of 90 degree is hypotenuse. So OB is hypotenuse. Can we find out by Pythagoras theorem? Because can you see this is a right angle triangle. So we will utilize Pythagoras theorem. OPB is a right angle triangle. OP 8 centimeter, PB 6 centimeter. This we will find out as a radius, and at last find the diameter of the circle. So radius if you will find out, the diameter is double of radius, right? 2 multiplied by radius. Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius. So whatever the radius will come, diameter uska dugna hoga, double hoga, right? So please we will start over here. Okay, so what is given? What is given? Okay, what is given? OP is equals to 8 centimeter. Okay, and what is given? Chord. See, chord AB is equals to 12 centimeter. Therefore, can I write over here AP is equals to half of AB? Yes or no? Why? Perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. I hope you understood here. Perpendicular OP is dividing the chord into two equal parts. So therefore AP is a half of AB. Therefore I will write AP is equals to half of AB is 12. So 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12. Therefore AP is equals to 6 centimeter. Is it clear? AP is equals to 6 centimeter. Now we got the two sides. OP 8 centimeter and here AP 6 centimeter. So can we find out this? Yes or no? See, it is a right angle triangle and this is the hypotenuse. OA is a hypotenuse. So in triangle we will write in triangle OPA angle P is 90 degree. Angle P is equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem. Remember students, whenever you will see right angle triangle, we have to utilize the Pythagoras theorem. It is hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Therefore, we will say here OA square is equals to OP square plus AP square. Okay, OA is a hypotenuse, opposite side of a right angle triangle. OA is a hypotenuse, OP is a side 1 and AP is side 2. So hypotenuse square is equals to side 1 square plus side 2 square. So OA is how much is not given. We will write as it is. OP is how much? OP is a perpendicular, that is 8 square. AP is how much? 6, that is 6 square. So therefore we will write OA square is equals to 8 square 64 and 6 square 36. Okay, so therefore OA square is equals to 100. See, therefore OA square is equals to 100. So we want OA square, or we want only OA? We want OA. Okay, so we will write by taking square root. By taking square root. By taking square root. Therefore, OA 100 is the square of 10. OA 10 centimeters. So this came 10 centimeter. Now what we have to find? Find the diameter. We have to find the diameter, and OA is a radius. So what is diameter here? OA is a radius. I will write here OA is equals to radius is equals to 10 centimeter. We know what we know, diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by radius. So it is 2 multiplied by 10. So it will be 20 centimeter. Therefore diameter is equals to 20 centimeter. I hope you understood here how to solve. Always remember, in the circle we will draw chord, we will draw perpendicular. Perpendicular will be right angle. See, it will form a right angle triangle, and we will utilize always the Pythagoras theorem only. Is it clear? We know that AP is half of AB. Similarly, PB is also half of AB. You can utilize this triangle, you can utilize this triangle, no problem. So my dear students, now we will see the question number 2 of practice set 6.1. Please try to understand the question. Diameter of a circle is, okay, diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. Okay, so diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. So can you see here diameter? BC is a diameter. BC is passing through the center. So segment BC is a diameter and it is of 26 centimeter. It means OB is how much? OB and OC is how much? 13 and 13. Why? Because we know the radius OB is the radius of the circle and OC also radius of the circle. Okay, and diameter is equals to 26. So radius diameter का half होता है, right? So we will write radius is equals to diameter upon 2. That is diameter का half. So diameter is 26. So what is the half of diameter? 26 half is 13. So OB will be 13. OC also will be 13. And now see chord AB. See, it is given over here. Length of a chord of the circle is 24. AB is the chord and the length of the chord is 24. And we know that perpendicular drawn from center to chord bisect the chord. It means 24. AP is the half of AB. AP half है AB का. Similarly PB also half of AB. So 24 का half will be 12 and this is 12. So we came to know the two sides of a right angle triangle. Can we find out OP? Yes, by Pythagoras theorem. Can you see it is a right angle triangle? Hypotenuse 13 and base PB is 12. We have to find out the distance between the center and the chord, that is OP. See here. So diameter of a circle is 26 centimeter. Length of a chord of a circle is 24. Find the distance of the chord from the center. Find the distance of the chord from the center. ये chord है, ये center है. इन दोनों के बीच में distance कितना है? It means perpendicular. We have to find the OP. Is it clear? Find the distance of the chord from the center. It means we have to find the perpendicular. Okay. So now what is given in the question? Write it down. See, I will write given diameter is equals to 26 centimeter. Therefore, I will write over there radius is equals to diameter upon 2, that is equals to 26 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, 2 threes are 6. Therefore, radius is equals to 13 centimeter. Is it clear? I hope you understood here how to solve. We know the formula how to find out the radius, how to find out the diameter. So radius is equals to diameter upon 2. 26 upon 2, 26 half is 13. So the radius, and here we know in the circle OB is equals to OC is equals to radius, okay, is equals to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. See, OB is equals to OC is equals to radius, and they is equals to 13. Okay, so OB is equals to OC, and they are the radius of the same circle, and they are 13 centimeter. Now we can say, see, PB. We utilize here PB. PB is a half of AB. PB is a half of AB. Why? Perpendicular drawn from center to chord. Drawn from center to chord, bisect the chord. Okay, so therefore PB is half of chord AB. See, PB is half of chord AB. Therefore PB is equals to 1 upon 2, and AB was 24, right? AB was 24. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore PB is equals to 12 centimeter. I hope you understood here. See, now OB you got 13 and PB you got 12. Okay, so we got two sides of a right angle triangle. Now we have to find the distance between the chord and the center of the circle. It means OP. So we will utilize the triangle OPP. See here, in triangle OPB, angle P is equals to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem only, by Pythagoras theorem, what is Pythagoras theorem here? OB square. OB is hypotenuse. Why? Because opposite side of a right angle triangle. So therefore we will write OB square is equals to OP square. Okay, is equals to OP square plus PB square. Okay, so therefore OB is how much? 13 square. OP is how much? Don't know. And PB is how much? 12 square. So therefore 13 square we know 169. OP we don't know. And 12 144. So this 144 will come here. It will subtract 169 minus 144 is equals to OP square. So therefore 9 minus 4 5, 6 minus 4 2, 1 minus 1 0. It means OP square. That is, we can write, that is OP square is equals to 25, right? OP square is equals to 25. So we want OP square or we want OP. So we will take this square root. So by taking square root, OP is equals to 25 is the square of 5. So we came to know, find the distance of the chord from the center. OP is equals to 5 centimeter. So this is the answer. Then you will write in the word. The distance of the chord from the center. The distance of the chord from the center is 5 centimeter. I hope you understood how to solve this. So dear students, now we will see the third sum of practice set 6.1. Just please look at the board and understand the question first. See, the radius of a circle is 34 centimeter. Radius of a circle, segment OB is a radius of a circle 34 centimeter, and the distance of the chord, the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeter. Can you see? This is chord. AB is the chord, segment AB is the chord, and the distance from center to chord is 30 centimeter. It is given. Find the length of the chord. It means we have to find the AB. Okay, the length of the chord. Okay, we have to find the length of the chord. It means first we will find out PB. Okay, first we will find out PB, which is half of AB. Then we will make double of PB. Okay, so if you know the PB, suppose PB if 20, so AB will be 20 multiplied by 2, 40. If PB will be 15, so AB will be 15 multiplied by 2, 30. Is it clear? So this is how we have to find the chord. Segment AB is equals to how much? So first we will write the given. What is given here? Radius. Okay, radius is equals to 34 centimeter. Okay, and the distance, okay, the distance of the chord, from the center is 30 centimeter. Okay, the distance of the chord from the center is 30 centimeter. That is OP is equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, now here OB, you can say radius. OB is a radius, and radius is equals to how much? 34 centimeter. Now we will utilize the triangle. In triangle OPB, the same triangle, angle P is equals to 90 degree, right? So therefore by Pythagoras theorem, COPB, so OB radius or hypotenuse, OP distance between center and the chord, and PB we have to find. Once you will get the PB, you can find out the AB. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, OB square is equals to OP square plus PB square. So therefore OB is how much? 34 square. OP is how much? 30 square, and PB we have to find. So 34 square, you will multiply and you will check over there how much. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12 and 1 13, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 6 5 1 1. Okay, it is 1 1 5 6 is equals to 3 0 square 0 3 square 9 plus PB square. You can find out by multiplying as well, no problem. So now this will come over here, right? So therefore 1156 minus 900 is equals to PB square. So therefore the answer is 6 minus 0 6, 5 minus 0 5, and suppose 11 minus 9, it is how much? 256 is equals to PB square. That is, we can write properly, that is PB square is equals to 256. Okay, so my dear students, we want PB square or we want only PB? We want PB square or we want only PB? We want only PB. So we will take this square. इस square को ले लो by taking square root. So 256 is the square of which number? 14. Okay, by taking square root, we'll write PB is equals to 256 is the square of 16. So PB is equals to 16 centimeter. So PB is how much? 16. And what is to be find? Find the length of the chord. So we will say over here, therefore the length of the chord, that is length of AB. Okay, length of AB is equals to 2 multiplied by PB, right? Length of AB is equals to 2 multiplied by PB. 2 multiplied by 16, which is equals to 16 to the 32 centimeter. So therefore length of AB is equals to 32 centimeter. It is very much easy. Or you can solve like this, that PB is half of AB. We know that PB is half of AB. So PB is how much? PB is 16 is equals to half of AB. So this 2 will come here, it will multiply. So you will write 16 2s are NAB. So it is 32 is equals to AB. Okay. Why is it so? ये ऐसा क्यों था? Perpendicular drawn from center to chord, bisect the chord, center to chord, bisect the chord. I hope you understood here how to solve this. Either you can solve this or this, no problem, answer will be same. I hope you understood how to solve the everything over there given. So thank you so much and best of luck.